G'day everybody, hope all is well. Hey listen, I wanted to I guess point out something I've been seeing quite a bit when I do my daily scans with the members. And it really is around the way the market's operating. I try and stick to, when I'm leveraged or margin trading, that's usually the top 10. I will go outside of the top 10, but usually, well, I'd much prefer, shall I say, to be trading within the top 10 just because of the the volume, let me get that right, the liquidity, and it just tends to be a place where I can get the trades that I want to get on. Now, what I'm noticing when I'm going against Bitcoin here, now this is BitChex obviously, but most of these are Binance, as I do prefer to be trading on Binance. I've been noticing a lot of these spikes. And as we see the chart structure change from, nice smooth selling, in that example, look at how that's getting gappy now, starting to get gappy. Now that shows here these gaps, this funny looking chart structure. Now as that liquidity dries up, it becomes easier to manipulate, and that's what we're seeing in these spikes. Now, let me take you through, this is some of the bottom end of that 100. Let me just show you through a couple of these, okay, and show you what I mean. Nothing on Nano, Decred, again, we've got these spikes down, spikes up, and they're really short-lived. They're very dangerous for stops. Again, spike, spike, spike. And this is why I've sort of been avoiding it. Again, MKR, too thin for me to be trading. Nothing there. BCD. Again, look at these spikes. Bang, 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 bang. And notice how they spike and immediately reverse almost, right? They're not something that is long lasting, and they are damaging to your portfolio, especially if your stock gets hit quickly. And, it's typically the lower lower liquidity markets that are seeing a lot of this. Again, ETP, look at that big spike down, and then it came all the way back. So seeing it on BAT as well. Rep, we're seeing it's quite notorious, Rep, for big spikes like that. Pay, look at those spikes. It's happening frequently. Now this is what I talk about when I say to trade optimal chart structure. And a big focus of mine and my education is to teach optimal chart structure. It's to know what to look for. Now you look at Golem here, look at how horrible this chart looks. Spike, 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 back here, spike, spike, all of that. Then you compare it to something like a trade recently on Binance. Now, this is obviously doing very, very well, but look at how this trend has played out. Beautiful series of higher highs and high lows, pulling back in and just sticking to a good chart structure. That's exactly what I'm aiming for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And that's exactly why I've done so well on trades like this and others in the past. So just a quick little pointer, guys. Make sure you're trading markets that don't have these wild spikes like we see on Digix, like we see on crypto.com they call it now. I mean, these are daily spikes. They're absolutely out of control. They will harm your account, and you need to know to avoid them. Guys, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to speaking to you again very soon. Bye for now.